Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today you're gonna get crafty with a girl named Jackie, and today's craft is gonna be another sketch, and I'm gonna be doing another morning sketch that I do. So I have a book of my cat that I no longer have because she's no longer on this earthly plane. However, her spirit is still here, and to keep her and her memory alive, I like to use her as some inspiration for my art. I think what's really great about this is not only it keeps her still with me, but I'm able to help improve my drawing by looking at photos of her that I have laid around my house still. If you have an animal or your precious soul pet that is already sadly passed, I think you know what that's like. And it's just such a great way to not only help improve your drawing and help bring creativity and even more inspiration and drawing something that you may not have really thought about drawing before. I have never really taken the time to draw animals, and so it makes it easy when you draw what you love. And I think that's an important thing to remember as you create art, making sure that it's something you're not only excited to make but also can be fun to look back on and be a good memory. So with that, I will let you keep watching my real-time drawing, and I draw pretty slow. I feel like in the beginning this movement that I was doing was moving slower than slow, but eventually as I start sketching and I start reading the photo with my eyes, I become more aware of where things are located and where to place them on the paper. It took a while, I should say, to get to this point where I can just use ink and paper and not worry about sketching stuff out, but I've been challenging myself. Maybe you can challenge yourself too to draw in ink or pen, marker, whatever you got, and try not to do outlines and just try making those confident marks and placing things where they're supposed to be. And even if it's not correct or 100% accurate, that's what makes it art, and that's what I've been really leaning into. You'll see towards the end of this piece when it's shown, it doesn't look quite as the photo would, but the viewer can still understand that this is an animal, this is a cat. And later on, as I keep drawing and adding different lines to show different textures or colors or design or the way the fur is, it totally helps bring together the whole concept of what this photo is that I'm drawing. And as I keep drawing away, I thought about adding some fun character to this piece because it was really cool. I liked how it was looking as just an illustration of a cat. And the more I kind of looked at it and decided, I thought, maybe it's missing something. There's a lot of empty space on this right side. So let's add a little coffee cup because the expression on this face that I drew, they look very bothered, and it's usually to help that is a coffee cup. So it's add a little pick-me-up, a little get you some meow coffee. So I really hope that you are able to take some time today and create, if that means a pet, your current one, or a photo of a pet that you had before that you love and you just want to keep them around and use them as great ways to practice your drawing. I hope that you choose to do so. So thank you so much for watching, and come back soon for many more videos. I'm going to be adding in some different crafts soon. I've been doing a lot of drawing lately, but I have some exciting stuff coming up. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.